All right, so let's look at market commentary. All right, I want to make my commentary of what I anticipate for the coming weeks. Right, so this the market commentary for the month of November. Happy New Month. You're just watching this. So I just want to have a picture of what the seasonal tendencies are saying. Right. Okay. So this is the seasonal tendencies for dollar index. Um, Based on dollar index seasonal charts. Um, okay. Wow. Wow. So usually see an increase in November, and then towards the middle of November, we see a decline and then a drop off. So that means we should see a little push up before the heavy drop for dollar index, right? And over the past 20 years, we usually see an increase in dollar in the month of November to 60%, and then in December it drops to 30. So I have an idea of what to expect on dollar. So we're expecting a kind of um, bullishness in the early parts of November and then a drop off, right? So knows that the seasonal chart is not 100% like the holy grail, right? Sometimes the market does not obey these seasonal tendencies as perfectly as you imagine. And let's just look at the British pound seasonality. Let's look at the British pound seasonality. See what you can anticipate on the British pound. Okay, British pound, okay, opposite. British pound drops and then rises. Right, rises towards the end of November and then. Right, so let's look at the charts. So firstly, let's start with the dollar index, right? So we have to go to the daily charts. Um, so looking at dollar index, we have been in a kind of range for the past days now. We're doing a kind of range. Let's go to the weekly charts to understand better what the market is doing. All right, so we can see that. Let me hide all these things. Let me hide all the drawings. All right, so you can see that based on the dollar index, we had some kind of bullish break, like markets kind of broke bullish when it closed above this last high. And you can see that we are tapping into this old favorable gap again. So we are tapping into this old favorable gap, right? This old favorable gap right here. This you can see this level there. But if I to put my annotation now, it's going to bring back all those drawings. So there's a favorable gap here, which price is still playing off. And if you look closely here, there's another favorable gap here. So this guy is within the kind of range. So for this market to drop, I anticipate the market should come to the high of this candle based on what we expect on the dollar index futures chart. I'm looking at dollar pushing at least to this high here. This is a very sweet level, 10800. Right, the market should push up to 10800 before dropping off. Right, and if it drops off, then we might be targeting this bullish order block here. Right, so that'll be an area I'll be looking at market to drop off to. So let's put back the drawing. Now I can pull back our drawings. Right, so that is the level I'm looking at. This is the 1.0800 level. That's the level my eyes are on, the 1.0800 level. So I should just label the price level and put it that way. 1.0800. So let's put it there. Right, so that's the level I'm anticipating that price should get to. Right, so and then we have this bullish order block. So let's keep an eye on this bullish order block, right? Let's keep an eye on this bullish order. So market should come back here. If we really want to go bullish, market should drop back to this bullish order block. So a sell an upward push and then a drop to this other block would be very ideal. I would anticipate on the dollar index. Right, look at the higher time frame. That's what I anticipate on the dollar index. So you can say that I'm looking at something like this. Markets running up to this level. So market running up to this level and dropping down. This is what I'm looking at for the dollar. What I anticipate on the dollar really is really what I anticipate on the dollar. Right. So although we have taken out the previous weekly high, but I feel that price should run to this level, this bank level, for dropping off to this other block. Right. It might be that, it might not be that. But let us see what will happen. Right. Let's go to the daily chart and see what the market is. So even on the daily chart, we are still in a range, right? A range market. Market is still ranging on the daily chart and it's seriously ranging, right? Seriously ranging. Um, okay. We have created a bullish order block here. And let's watch this bullish order block here. We have created a bullish order block here. Right? We have created this bullish order block. So let's see what will happen. If this is if it's going to go higher, then we might see price push off this bullish order block and then run to that high. So it's very possible that market might just bounce off this bullish order block and then run higher, right? So let's go to the 4-hour chart. All right, so you can see this 4-hour bullish order block as well. So let's see. And now you can see that there's also a 4-hour bullish break. Market's going above this last previous high. So we had a 4-hour bullish break, and that's so. Let us see if this 4-hour bullish order block will be the other block of interest. And let's see this 4-hour bullish order block. So let's see if the market can bounce off this 4-hour bullish order block. So I also made this visibility only on the 4-hour, right? So that's on the hourly chart. I don't want to be on the daily and on the weekly. So let's leave it that way. So we are over. If market really wants to go higher, you might see price. You can see this 4-hour continuation break. I see you saw a double MD. Market broke above this first high first, and then the second high. Right? Markets might just bounce on it. We have a gap in between here. So there's a gap here, which market should go to fill. You can see this gap. We have this gap here, which price should go to fill. So market should bounce off this other block and then run to this gap. All right, it's very possible. That's the first scenario, or you can come lower to this fair value gap down here. You have a 4-hour fair value gap down here as well. Market can still choose to come to this lower fair value gap. Right, so it's up to the market. If you can get to lower time frame confirmation, then that will be fine, right? So for now, I'm temporarily bullish on the dollar index, right? I'm temporarily bullish on the dollar index. Market should either reject off this other block or should come to this lower imbalance here. So these are the two areas I'm looking at the market playing on. Either that or this imbalance here, right? So having this imbalance here, which we can also keep our eye on. Right? So that's what I'm looking at for the dollar index. Market's playing on any of those levels, right? Right. So let's see any of those levels. All right, so let's look at that there. The British pounds against the United States dollar. So let's go to the daily chart. So daily chart, um, okay. So on the daily chart, we are seeing market is very heavy bearish. And if you ask me, the market still has potentials to come to this level here, right? We have this level here, this beautiful level here, this 1800 level, right? Market can choose to come to this sweet spot here, 1800 level, very sweet spot. A very good psychological level. But I think I should just type the digits there. So that's a very good psychological level. The market should draw to 1800. We have that sweet spot there. All right. So I think we have satisfied this. All right. So the market might drop to this fair gap level and possibly that's possibly this. So that's what I'm looking at. I want to see price drop to this and this. So it's very possible market might do that. So let's just watch what the market does. We have taken out this inducement. Market might drop. Right? I think market should drop. Let's just watch what the market is going to do. Let's just watch what's going to happen. So now we're taking that previous really high already, right? Maybe we might also take out this other high and then drop. Let's just see what is going to happen. I feel that G should still drop off to this level, this temporary gap level, and consequently, this 1180 level, right? So let's check a 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is really clear. Market has broken this last low. So market still broke this low. It broke. We are still breaking lows. Market broke this low, right? And now we have hit this temporary gap level that's in between here, right? So markets might still drop off, right? Market might drop off either after taking this high or it might just drop off now. So I'll still be watching this high, this entire liquidity. America might take off this high first before dropping it. If you look very carefully, we have a fair value gap level up here. I have a fair value gap level up here. So I want to be mindful of that. This will actually to the sell. But judging by the structure of the market, um, we're already at a discount level, so a premium level. So let's just watch what the market does. Let's see if the market is going to give us that sell. Look at this. See this on wow. We're in this supply zone. So a break structure, so our inducement gets taken out, and then let's watch. This might be the sell. Look at my setup in this area. Right. So let's just keep doing the watch out to see if it's going to drop. Right. So let's see if it's going to drop. If it doesn't drop there, then I'll be looking at the market going above this high. So we have this liquidity high here. So let's see. Market might still come here. So nice to see market has come back above this and then give us a sell confirmation inside it. So this will be a very good area for interest of me. A very good area of interest in me. Market's coming into this level. Right. This is this imbalance level. Is that a market drops off this 1 hour order block or it comes higher here and give us a sell, right? And then we have this trend line liquidity resting here, right? So let's see if the market is going to give us something nice to play off, right? So that is what I have for GU for now. That's also be similar for the Euro USD. So we have to quickly go to the daily charts. So for Euro USD, we have this level here. So we have this level here, which has not been tapped into. This 1,300 level. So we have that 1,300 level there. So that this is a very interesting level. Very interesting level, that level. Around 1,300 level, thereabouts, 1,290. So it's a very interesting level. Very interesting level. So let us see the 4-hour chart. So as you can see, 4-hour rejected off this other block. And see a very good rejection of this other block here. Now we are into another other block here. You can see we also hit another other block here. We have a breaker block here. So we have hit this breaker block as well. The markets are doing it. So now we can see we went below this low. Right, you see have all this liquidity pool resting here. We have all this liquidity resting here. We have all this liquidity resting here. So if market will drop, it's very nice to see market drop. Either it drops here or it comes to this supply zone above here. So let's go to the 2-hour chart. Right. So that it plays on this breaker or it comes higher. But let's see what the market is going to do today. Right. Let's see what it's going to do. So market might just drop off from there. That's why I split. Let's look at GJ. Looking at GJ, I feel the market is still bullish. I see that we are playing on this fair value gap level here. We find it difficult to break through this fair value gap level. We are finding it difficult to break through this level, this fair value gap level. Right? You can see the fair value gap level. We are finding it difficult to break through it. So it's very possible the market might just run for this high. The market is going above this high would be very ideal, just above this high. So that would be where I'm looking at short term. Right? And then you can see the market is constantly bullish. So I've broken this first high, hits this other block. What is this? So I've broken this first high, hits this other block. and then now they're running higher. So now we have this imbalance here. It would be nice to see what the market will do from this imbalance level here. Right. It would be nice to see what the market is going to do. And then we have this other block as well down here. So let us see what the market is going to do. Right. Let's see what's happening. Under the imbalance, markets can bounce on the imbalance off. If you come back this other block before running higher. So this would be ideal to see market drop to take out the previous daily low before giving me what to buy. Right. So I'm still bullish on GJ. The market can take out this imbalance and then run for this side. It's very, very nice to see that happen. Right. So USD check. Um, what is this? All right. So for USD check, um, USD check is still giving me a bullish stop. All right. So let's go to the weekly chart on USD check. Right. So okay, we took out this liquidity pool and then we have been reversing ever since. Right. So we have come to tap into. Okay. We haven't really tapped into the open on. So we have hit the high of this other block here. Right. So I've tapped into the high of this other block. Although you have not hit the open, market has tapped into the high of this other block here, the high of it. So that may be the movement to run higher. And if you look very carefully, we have a weekly imbalance here. It's a weekly imbalance here. So this may be the draw liquidity. This may be the next draw liquidity. I also have this high here. The market might just run and spin for this high and possibly this liquidity up here, right? So let's look at the daily chart again. Daily chart is still very bullish. Still very bullish. Right? Still very bullish. Look at this other block here. Let's keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that other block. All right, so let's show the 4-hour chart. All right, so, okay. Imbalance level. Wow. We have this other block here. Although I'm seeing a core, no, I don't really trust this, but let us see what will happen. Market can still choose to buy off this and also run higher. Right? Market can choose to buy off this other block here and run higher to make a new high. So let us be mindful of that. Either it does that or it comes to this lower daily order block, right? Let's see what will happen next. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So I'm still bullish on that guy as well. I'm probably bullish. We have this inverted fair value gap here. That's why price is playing on this inverted fair value gap. Right. So I feel like I might drop to this lower order block here. That would be very ideal. See market drop to this lower order block here. Very, very ideal. We'll see that happen. Right. So let's look at the last pair is gold. So for gold, let's look at the daily charts on gold. Gold has been seriously bullish since we entered the events we are in around the world. You know what I'm talking about. Right? So you already know what I'm talking about. So I'm not going to spell it out. So you already know that what is happening around the world. So gold has given a very serious bullish structure, very serious bullish break. Right. Um, Gold might just make a new high. All right. All right. Okay. Okay, I see this. So we're playing on this. Okay, that's what the market is calling. Right. What the market is calling. Right. But for me, I feel this market is still bullish. High, low, business, other block. So let's just see. Let's just see. I think the best now goes to trade the lower time frame price action. And based on the lower time frame price action, I can see that gold is still very bullish. Still very bullish. Like, gold is still we have this swing high, swing below, and the swing high. So gold is still bullish. And gold is bullish until we can take out this low. We can take out this low. this low right here. Gold remains bullish until you can take out this low. So once you break this low, then you can see gold begin to fall. But for now, I'm still very bullish on gold. Still very bullish on gold. Right? Let's look at the last pair, which is on the Nasdaq. Let's look at the Nasdaq. It's the last pair. On the daily chart, the Nasdaq is, my God. On the daily chart, Nasdaq is currently bearish. Currently bearish because of this break of lows. We have our range high up here, and then we have our range low down there. Right, so we have this old family gap here. Have this old family gap level there. So that's two likelihoods. The gold might, this guy might choose to take out this inducement. We have an inducement here. Market can choose to take out this inducement and then drop off, or just drop off of this other block. So for in Nasdaq, we are currently at the half of the range. Right, I'm just eyeballing this. We're currently at the 50%. So market Nasdaq can still drop, might still drop, might still drop. Nasdaq might still drop. We are playing on this imbalance here. But I would love to see the price drop to this breaker block level here. I would love to see price drop to that breaker block here. I would love to see price drop to this breaker block level. That's a very good area we really trust the buys. But now if see another might still sell, at least to this level here, right? For the 4 hour charts, 4 hour is still also bearish. But it's not our inducement and then in this other block. So markets might just drop off from this other block here. It's this another block from Nasdaq. Nasdaq might drop off, right? So let's wait for a lower time frame confirmation before doing anything at all. Right, so comparing Nasdaq to US 30 now, you see that US 30 has made a high, while Nasdaq has not made a high. So you can see a kind of SMT divergence there. So Nasdaq will be very favorable for sales if you see opportunities on the lower time frame, right? So let's go back to Nasdaq. So that's it. So this is what I'm looking at. So if you like to join our paid mentorship, it's still ongoing. I use the link in the description to join us. Use the link in the description to join our paid mentorship. If you'd like to be part of us to have our lectures. And don't forget the price for our mentorship is going up by the 1st of January. So if you want to be part of us for that increase, do want to join us with the link in the description. And I will see you in class. And I hope this was insightful. Have a wonderful day. Cheers. God bless.